students, a very warm welcome to the class. How are you all? Hope you are fit, fine and doing great, and I'm sure you are excited to learn with me. So myself Divyani Shukla, your SST teacher, and today I'm going to start a new chapter, which is your chapter number 10, the world of growing knowledge. So in this chapter, we are going to study about in our world how the knowledge is growing from cave walls to computers. In earlier times, our early human beings uses hand gestures or facial expressions to communicate to each other. Then the invention of drawings and many other things come in modern life, then after that computers. So we will study about how knowledge has grown up in these times. So let's begin with this chapter. Build up. Books play an important role in gaining knowledge. Find out the role each of the following play in creating a book. Write one sentence on each. So books एक important role play करती हैं in gaining knowledge. So you have to find out one role each of these following in creating a book. So the first one is writer. What does writer does? It brings the ideas, emotions to life through words and message to life through words. So he brings ideas, imagination, to life through words. Like this you can do the remaining. Now the first topic is from cave walls to computers. Let's read it out. Imagine a world without words, no stories, no songs, or no instructions. Early humans relied on sounds and gestures to communicate. As curiosity grew, so the need to share thoughts and discoveries. This led to the invention of drawings, writing, and eventually modern communication tools like computers. Over time, humans developed languages, scripts, and books to record their knowledge. Today, digital communication, including emails and social media, has made sharing information faster and easier than even before. So, कैन यू इमेजिन अ वर्ल्ड विदाउट वर्ड्स, जिसमें कोई भी वर्ड्स नहीं थे, मीन्स नो स्टोरीज, नो सॉन्ग्स और नो इंस्ट्रक्शंस. अर्ली ह्यूमन बीइंग्स साउंड पे या फिर जेस्चर्स पे रिलाई करते थे फॉर कम्युनिकेटिंग टू ईच अदर. देन क्यूरियोसिटी, एज द क्यूरियोसिटी ग्रू, तो थॉट्स या फिर डिस्कवरीज को शेयर करने का आइडिया आगे ले जाया गया. दिस लेड टू द इन्वेंशन ऑफ, जिसके बाद इन्वेंशन हुआ हमारी ड्राइंग, राइटिंग एंड इवेंचुअली मॉडर्न कम्युनिकेशन टूल्स लाइक कंप्यूटर्स केम इन यूज. ओवर टाइम human beings developed languages, some books and scripts to record their knowledge. Nowadays, digital communication like emails and social media has made information faster and easier than even before. Now the next topic is our first storytellers, which are cave painters. So जो हमारे first storytellers थे, they are cave paintings. Why so? हम ऐसा क्यों कह रहे हैं first storytellers? In earlier times, people did not know how to write your thoughts and your ideas in words. So they may make some paintings for sharing knowledge. Long ago, humans lived in caves and used sticks and charcoal to draw pictures on cave walls. These drawings depicted animals they hunted, people dancing, and symbols they believed in. These cave paintings were the first attempt to communicate beyond spoken language, like stories frozen in time. So long ago, human beings जो थे वो caves में रहते थे और sticks और charcoal का use करते थे to draw some pictures on cave walls, ताकि वो information को share कर सकें. ये drawings जो हैं ये depict करती थी the animals which are being hunted by them, people dancing, and symbols they believed in. These cave paintings were the first attempt to communicate beyond spoken language, like stories frozen in time. Now, next heading is the birth of writing. Writing का birth कब हुआ? In earlier times, people used to do cave paintings for sharing his or her thoughts or information. After that, the invention of writing has been taken place. As the time passed, human beings realized that drawing pictures was slow and difficult. They began using symbols to represent ideas or sounds, which eventually developed into writing systems. Writing helped people record history, trade, and laws, making civilizations more organized. Over centuries, different cultures created their own scripts, shaping the way we communicate today. From ancient carvings on stone to modern digital text, writing has played a crucial role in human प्रोग्रेस. तो जैसे जैसे टाइम पास ऑन हुआ, ह्यूमन बींग्स ने रियलाइज करना शुरू किया दैट ड्राइंग पिक्चर्स वाज अ स्लो एंड डिफिकल्ट प्रोसेस. सो दे बिगिन टू यूज सम सिंबल्स टू रिप्रेजेंट आइडियाज, थॉट्स और इंफॉर्मेशन which they developed into writing systems. Writing helped people to record their history, trade and also their laws, जिसने civilizations को और ज्यादा organized बनाया. Over centuries, different cultures created their own scripts जो कि shape करते हैं that how do we communicate today. From ancient carvings on stone. In earlier times, ancient carvings were done on stone. Nowadays to modern digital text. Writing ने एक important role play किया है in human progress. Now the next heading is cuneiform. What is cuneiform? Our earliest writing system was known as cuneiform. Let's read it out. One of the earliest writing system was cuneiform, invented by Sumerians. They pressed symbols into wet clay using a red pen. These clay tablets were then dried or baked to preserve important records. Cuneiform was used for trade, laws and storytelling in Mesopotamia. So, हमारा जो अर्लीस्ट राइटिंग सिस्टम था was known as cuneiform, which was invented by Sumerians. वो क्या करते थे? They pressed some symbols. वो कुछ symbols को wet clay में press करते थे with a reed pen, and then these clay tablets were dried or baked. Why they are dried or baked? To preserve some important records. Cuneiform को use किया जाता था trade के लिए, laws और for storytelling in Mesopotamia. Over time, the other civilizations like the Babylonians and Assyrians adapted and modified these script. It marked a major step towards writing communication in human history. So, over time, other civilizations like Assyrians and Babylonians adapted and modified these script, or it marked a major step towards writing communication in human history. तो इसने एक major step mark किया towards writing communication in the human history. Next heading is hieroglyphics. What it is? Our Egyptians used some pictures as their writing system. Those are called hieroglyphics. The Egyptians used pictures called hieroglyphics as their writing system. These symbols were carved on stone or written on papyrus. Each symbol represented an object, idea or sound, making it a complex yet artistic script. Scribes who were trained writers played an important role in Egyptian society by recording religious texts, royal decrees and historical events. The discovery of the Rosetta Stone helped scholars decode hieroglyphics, unlocking secrets of ancient Egypt. So, Egyptians जो pictures use करते थे as their writing system are called hieroglyphics. The symbols were carved on stone or they were written on papyrus, and each symbol represented an idea or object or a sound which makes it complex, yet it is the artistic script. Scribes जो कि trained writers थे, उन्होंने एक important role play किया था in Egyptian society by recording religious text, some royal decrees and historical events. And जो discovery थी हमारे रोसेटा स्टोन की, उन्होंने help किया scholars को to decode hieroglyphics, unlocking secrets of ancient Egypt. Next is the Indian scripts. Now we talk about Indian scripts. The Indus Valley civilization has its own script which remains a mystery. Later, the Brahmi script emerged, forming the base for many Indian languages. Brahmi was widely used during the Maurya and Gupta period, helping in the spread of knowledge and administration. Over time, different scripts like Devanagari, Tamil and Bengali evolved from Brahmi, shaping India's legislative diversity. Today, India has a rich tradition of writing languages, each with its unique history and importance. सो जो हमारी इंडस वैली सिविलाइजेशन थी हैज इट्स ओन स्क्रिप्ट, उनकी अपनी स्क्रिप्ट थी जो कि एक मिस्ट्री थी हमारे लिए. लेटर द ब्रह्मी स्क्रिप्ट इमर्ज्ड इनटू इट, जो कि एक बेस बना रही थी फॉर मेनी ऑफ द इंडियन लैंग्वेजेस. ब्रह्मी वाज वाइडली यूज्ड ड्यूरिंग मौर्य एंड गुप्ता पीरियड, जिसकी वजह से हमारी नॉलेज और एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन स्प्रेड हो रही थी. ओवर टाइम डिफरेंट स्क्रिप्ट्स लाइक देवनागरी, तमिल एंड बंगाली इवॉल्व फ्रॉम ब्रह्मी, जो कि शेप कर रही थी हमारी इंडिया के लेजिस्लेटिव डाइवर्सिटी को. टुडे इंडिया हैज अ रिच ट्रेडिशन ऑफ रिटन लैंग्वेजेस. हर एक की अपनी यूनिक हिस्ट्री और हर एक का अपना एक यूनिक इंपॉर्टेंस है. नाउ द नेक्स्ट हेडिंग इज द लैंग्वेज ऑफ नंबर्स. Just like words, numbers were a significant discovery. Early humans used fingers, pebbles, or sticks to count. Later, symbols for numbers were invented. So, in earlier times, human beings used fingers, pebbles, or sticks to count something. Just like words, number, जैसे words एक significant discovery. Like this, numbers are also a significant discovery for humans. After that, later symbols for numbers were invented. The Romans used letters like first, fifth, 10th, 50, C, D and M. These all are created. The modern number system 0 to 9 originated in India with the concept of zero being a groundbreaking invention. Then after that Roman numbers का इन्वेंशन किया गया था. आफ्टर दैट हमारे जो मॉडर्न नंबर सिस्टम थे विच इज फ्रॉम 0 to 9 ओरिजिनेटेड इन इंडिया विद द कंसेप्ट ऑफ जीरो बीइंग अ, जीरो क्या था, एक जो जीरो का कंसेप्ट था वो एक ग्राउंड ब्रेकिंग इन्वेंशन था. Now the next heading is the power of printing. Now we'll study about what is the power of printing. Printing has also helped us in many ways like sharing information, thoughts, ideas or messages. For centuries, books were copied by hand, making them expensive and rare. The invention of printing press changed this. It allowed books to be produced faster and in larger numbers. This made knowledge available to more people, helping education and literacy grow. Over time, printed materials like newspapers and magazines also became popular source of information. So for many centuries, books were copied by hand, which make them expensive and rare. It allowed books to be produced faster and in larger quantity, जिसकी वजह से हमारी knowledge जो थी वो more available हो रही थी to larger number of people, helping in education and literacy growth. Over time, printed materials like newspapers and magazines also become popular source of information. Now it's the time of act and learn. Who am I? The first question is, I am drawing on cave walls. Who am I? What will be the correct answer? The correct answer is cave art, or we can say cave painting. Likewise, you can do the remaining four now. Moving to the next heading, which is Johann Gutenberg. Johann Gutenberg, a German inventor, developed the first printing press. He used metal letters to print words on paper, making books cheaper and more accessible. His famous work was the Gutenberg Bible, one of the earliest book printed using this method. So, Johann Gutenberg, जो कि एक जर्मन इन्वेंटर थे, इन्होंने फर्स्ट प्रिंटिंग प्रेस को डेवलप किया था. He used metal letters to print some words on paper, which makes books cheaper and more accessible to many of the people. His famous work was the Gutenberg Bible, one of the earliest book printed using this method. Gutenberg's invention transformed education, religion, and communication across the world. His printing technique was foundation for modern printing technology. So, the Gutenberg's invention has transformed education, religion, and also communication across the world. और उनकी जो printing technique थी was the foundation for modern printing technology. Now, the next heading is printing press. The printing press revolutionized the spread of knowledge, allowing books to reach many people. It played a key role in renaissance and reformation, helping ideas and discoveries spread quickly. Governments, scientists, and writers could now share their thoughts with a wider audience. Today, digital printing and online books continue to evolve, making knowledge even more accessible to people worldwide. So, now we will talk about printing press. Printing press helped in spread of knowledge, allowing books to reach to more number of people. It also plays a key role in renaissance and reformation, which helps ideas and discoveries spread quickly to many of the people. Government, scientists, and writers could now share their thoughts with a wider audience. Today, digital printing and online books continue to evolve, making knowledge, जिससे कि हमारी knowledge जो है वो ज़्यादा accessible हो रही है to the people all over the world. Now the next heading is modern communication, computers and the internet. Now we'll talk about the modern communication which is done by the help of computers and the internet, by which we can share any information, thoughts or our message to many of the people at the same time. Today, computers and the internet have transformed communication. We can read books, watch videos, and connect with people worldwide in seconds. Email, social media, and video calls allow instant sharing of ideas and information. Online learning platforms provide access to education for students everywhere. However, while the internet is a powerful tool, it is important to use it safely and responsibly to protect personal information and avoid misinformation. So, today, computers and internet have transformed the communication. We can read videos, we can watch videos, we can read books or connect with people within a few seconds all over the world. Email, social media and video calls allows instant sharing of any thoughts, expressions, ideas or information. Also, online learning platforms provide access to education for students anywhere and everywhere. However, internet is a powerful tool. It is also important. Internet is a powerful tool, yet is it important to use it safely and responsibly to protect personal information and avoid any kind of misinformation. Next heading is a world of knowledge, in which we have numbers, symbols, alphabets, etc. Writing, numbers and printing have opened up a vast world of knowledge. They have helped humans learn, grow and build civilization. From ancient manuscripts to modern digital libraries, knowledge has been preserved and passed down through generations. So, writing, numbers and printings have opened a vast world of knowledge for all of us. They also help humans to learn, grow and build many civilizations. From ancient manuscripts to modern digital libraries, knowledge को preserve करके रखा गया है and that knowledge is passed through many of the generations. Scientific discoveries, literature and historical records have shaped societies and cultures. However, with great power comes great responsibilities. We must use these tools wisely to spread knowledge and understanding, ensuring that future generations continue to benefit from them. So, however, with great power and with great responsibility, we must use these tools wisely to spread knowledge and understanding, ensuring that future generations would continue to benefit from these. Some discoveries, literature and historical records have also been shaped societies and cultures nowadays also. Now the next is evolution of growing knowledge. First era, methods of growing knowledge. First method is cave paintings and the key features of cave paintings are drawing on cave walls. Cave paintings किस पे करी जाती हैं? Cave walls पे. Next era is ancient civilizations in which cuneiform and hieroglyphics invention were done. Key features are symbols pressed into clay or carved on stone and then they are dried or baked up for future generations. Next is medieval period. Method of growing knowledge is handwritten manuscripts. Key features are book copied by hand in this medieval period. Renaissance. Methods of growing knowledge in Renaissance were printing press. Mass production of books were done. Now, last is modern era in which computers and internet are used for growing knowledge. Key features are instant global communication. From cave paintings to computers, humans have come a long way in communicating and sharing knowledge. These advancements have shaped our world and we must use them responsibly to ensure a better future. So, from the cave paintings टू कंप्यूटर्स ह्यूमंस ने एक लॉन्ग वे बनाया है और बहुत सारा डेवलपमेंट किया है इन कम्युनिकेटिंग एंड शेयरिंग नॉलेज. सो दिस एडवांसमेंट हैव शेप्ड आवर world into a better place and we must use it responsibility and carefully to ensure a better future for our generations. I hope you have understood the topics. Let's start with the vocabulary. Cave paintings. Drawings done by early humans on cave walls. Cuneiform, one of the earliest writing system using symbols which were pressed on clay. Hieroglyphics, Egyptians using writing system with pictures as symbols. ब्रह्मी स्क्रिप्ट एक एंशियंट इंडियन स्क्रिप्ट दैट जो कि बेस थी बहुत सी मॉडर्न लैंग्वेजेस का. जॉहन गुटनबर्ग, इन्वेंटर ऑफ द प्रिंटिंग प्रेस. Manuscripts, handwritten books or documents are called manuscripts. Now let us recall what we have learned in this chapter with summary points. Long ago, human lives in caves and used sticks and charcoal to draw pictures on cave walls. They began using symbols to represent ideas or sound which eventually developed into writing systems. One of the earliest writing systems was cuneiform, invented by Sumerians. The Egyptians used pictures called hieroglyphics as their writing system. The Indus Valley civilization has its own script which remains a mystery till now or date. Johann Gutenberg, a German inventor, developed the first printing press. Today, computers and internet have transformed communication and make it very easier and faster. Now, exercise time, think and answer. Moving to the first exercise, take the correct option. What were the first attempts at communication beyond spoken language? First cave paintings, second emails और third is printing press. तो first attempts कौन से थे हमारे? First attempts were option number A, cave paintings. Which writing system used pictures as symbols? Cuneiform, hieroglyphics or Brahmic script? Option number B is correct. Who invented printing press? A. Albert Einstein, B. Thomas Edison or C. Johann Gutenberg? Option number C. Where did the modern number system 0 to 9 originate? In China, India or Egypt? It is originated in India. Option number B. What revolutionized the spread of knowledge in the Renaissance period? Computers, printing press or cave paintings. तो किसने spread of knowledge को Renaissance period में revolutionize करा था? Option number B, printing press. Now next exercise is fill in the blanks using the word given in the box. Early humans used charcoal to draw pictures on cave walls. The dash script is the base for many Indian languages. Brahmi script is base for many languages. The printing press was invented by Johann Gutenberg. The internet allows us to connect people with worldwide. The concept of zero was a groundbreaking invention in India. Moving to the next exercise, check for the true and cross for the false statement. Cave painting was the first attempt at communication. Yes, it is true. So, the printing press was invented in 28th century. Is it true or false? It is false. Printing press was invented in 15th century. Hieroglyphics were used by Egyptians. True or false? It is true. The internet has made communication slower. No, it is false. The Brahmi script is still a mystery. Is it true or false? It is false. So, I hope students you have understood it well. Now we will meet in our next class with some new chapters. Till the time, keep learning, keep doing great. Bye-bye students.